Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc has demanded clarification from a local newspaper for their misleading report about Memorandum of World Wkzic Intellectual Council. MPPC has also warned of a legal action if the newspaper failed to clarify. Speaking at the press conference held at Congress Bhavan today, MPCC spokesperson Dr. S. Manauton clarified that the headline, which claims Rahul Gandhi and AICC President Kharge will produce Union Territory Bill during the ongoing Parliament session, was a false information. He emphasized that neither Rahul Gandhi nor Kharge met such commitments. Manauton also alleged that the act of littering the World Wkzic Intellectual Council's memorandum on the streets of Pallel was orchestrated by individuals from Meitei community. He added that incident was carried out under the influence of an MLA reportedly close to the ruling party.
Congress Party Masaki cover Topic Campusna, Manipur News Kamuna, Sigumba, Lebaki, Simana, Sendopa, reorganization, Tokadopa, reorganization Toga, Lanjito, Bio Hybrid. Sigumba Bilsibu, Constitution Kampu Kampuna, Sampitan, Dina Kampuna, Sibo position the Todu Kamuna. She ring the Leba Partina, one way to Indiana, Isapina. Tawudoni, Kogi opposition na, Sigi principle to pass on moment here. Aduti, Kani Kamu demand to Congress the Malaga, Congress the principle to Lapugi Yanaka Haisi, Kayuan. Siki the Napsina Kayuan over the Congress is very under of the situ, Taupaneva. And the Pumunji charge the East Koido, Hadati, Yamaka, Papa, Propiwana.
While Vice Chairman of Mpcc legal team Rabi Khan emphasized that the press needs to verify press handouts of any association before publishing. He alleged that some individuals were trying to tarnish the image of Congress by handing out fake press releases. Rabi Khan also demanded the local newspaper to clarify for publishing the misleading article.
Media House Amana, Kariba, Kana, look amagi, press handout on Pomatada, Maduki press handout to look at the Chumra Chumzabra, and to TV you pay. Even if Chuma make hunger so, and you are getting Marie Lava, concerned Maduki, opposite way with the Kay Lady, being in the World Wkzic Intellectual Council, Amagi, letter Henny Haina, Viri Haina press or Shumba particular Manipur News Kova, Amana. Fongi balloons, the Somaka, Masaki pocket, Hudson Biaba Mona, Mian Hungary, and the city, some Basim Tonamba, Gay good woman, shapes Hanga, plant over Hoinamaki, Manipur, Amadi India, Congress, Awaka Bin and Nike, Police Yamato, Brian and Kandam table. Kanaka or nice number, in this place, head of Topazak, Manipur, Dopa, Hava, Dupamio, Robatu Pamela. Adupa Hidrakadi, Maduki penalty, punishment from Tokane, political party, particular organized number, Henry Tobo Mamba, I could sectarian Naiba, communists, Hanai Konaba, Sak Ivamachida, Hena, Gi agent and I Konaba, Mamba, Adumba, La Honga Pazak, Masidi, Mpcc legal department, of the only that Congress committee, legal department, Tanaruga, Atuma, legal Sutung, Ponakali. Matunga Pungi the Nagi, Nasigi, Manipur News I have covered there, Mata Pungi Power, Singing Matu today, Subsoy Children of the Niaxi, where I'm comes at the tank.